Ooh. Hey, what's up, you guys? In today's video, we're actually going to be doing a cooking with me in my dorm video. So basically, when I have time, so today is Friday. You probably see this video Monday after next, but this is usually what I do if I'm going to cook in my dorm. I would prepare my food and stuff. I decided to show you guys this at the last second. I'm currently seasoning my chicken and my shrimp and my vegetables, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do that, and then I'll come back and I'll probably show you guys after the end portion of it and how I set the oven in a dorm, because you know dorms are really sensitive. Their alarm systems are really sensitive, so you have to be careful about how you cook stuff and how long you leave it there and stuff like that. So let's get into the video. Oh, also remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You guys stay to the end of the video because you will learn about the giveaway. I will probably be telling you guys about the giveaway. So stay to the end of this video. Tell all your friends about this channel. Hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, boo. Then hit the notification bell so you won't miss another video, because you might miss something good. And we're gonna get into it. So what you guys see here is basically my little setup. I had to clean up everything, and I washed all my vegetables. I washed my chicken. You know, bleached my counter, bleached everything out, cleaned everything off, because I don't want to use the kitchen because of what's going on right now. So I just bleach everything down, make sure everything clean before I start preparing my food. So what I do, I get a plate. So basically I get a styrofoam plate. So let me show you guys what. I just get like a little styrofoam plate, and I just cut all my vegetables up. As you can see right here, I cut up my vegetables depending on how fine or chunky I want them. I'm doing a bake, so I kind of left them chunkier. And so that's all my vegetables. And so this is what I have left over. So it's like fitting me in my 3 little Brussels sprouts. I had more than that, but they some of them weren't good on the inside, so I had to throw them away. But I have corn, potatoes, jalapenos, Brussels sprouts. Those are my vegetables. And then I'm going to put some lemons in there. And then over here you guys see I have chicken in a bag, shrimp in a bag, and I have my lemon right here. And then I have my seasonings in this little container. I just got this from like the Marketplace Walmart. It's onion powder, garlic powder, and lemon pepper. I'll shift it into this, and then this is what I use. This is mainly what I season all my foods with. But then I have my extra ones that I got that I season my food with too. So this is some crushed red pepper. Then you have paprika. Then you have chili powder, and then I have some kikkoman soy sauce that I use sometimes. And then I also use honey. I also use honey on my food, so I put like a dab of honey, just like to give it that sweet and savory kind of flavor. But all these flavorings together, to me personally, I like these flavorings together. Sometimes I don't use spicy stuff, so I'll just use a little bit of this, and I just season my food. And sometimes, today I decided to go a little spicy. So when I went grocery shopping, I got me some corn and peppers and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you guys how to season my food. I don't measure anything off. I just do this by hand. So you guys see I have my soy sauce, and this is just big bottle because I eat soy sauce. I love like certain types of food, and I don't use that much. I just put a little bit in here. So we're going to do is just, I have to hold this because I left my stand in the car, and I don't feel like going to get it because I'm not going to get it right now. So I just put a little bit of soy sauce in there. And we're also going to put a little bit of soy sauce on here. Not a lot, because we don't want all that. We don't want it to be salty. We just want it to help retain some of that flavor in our food. So we're just going to put a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit. Because the majority is going to be lemon juice. The soy sauce and lemon juice help. To me, it helps the seasonings and stuff soak in. So basically, I rinsed everything off, my seafood and stuff off. And the reason the bags were cold because I put it in the refrigerator. So before I took it out, they were in the refrigerator. So, well, the food itself had been in the refrigerator. So we just put a little bit of that, rub that in. Then the next thing we're gonna do, I season my shrimp differently than I season my chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my shrimp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my seasonings and just kind of, let me see if you guys can see right here. I'll put you guys right here. There we go. And so we're just gonna open the bag. I'll turn my air conditioner off because this light off. And so we're gonna shake some of the seasoning down into the bag like this. Just shake the amount that you want. This thing is kind of clogged a little bit, so we're just gonna take the lid off for a second. And I keep this in the refrigerator so it stays fresh because of it being in the little container, and I can't fit it into my drawers. So then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take a little bit of red pepper seasoning, and we're gonna shake a little bit on top of that, just a little bit. You know, just season by I season the way I season. Some people don't like their food with a lot of spice and stuff like that. Some people do. It's just up to you. Then I'm going to take a dash of chili powder. I originally had bought some Zararan shrimp ball seasoning, but I didn't realize I got the actual bag instead of like the seasoning bag. So we just gonna go with what we got. So we gonna pull this lid off if we get it off. Can it come off? Now we can find some food to open this. Hold on. Alright, so poke some holes on top of it, and we're going to use that and we're going to pop it open. That open, and then we're going to shake it. Just a little bit of chili powder. We don't want that much chili powder. The chili powder is potent. Well, it's not that potent, but it's kind of strong within itself. So we don't want that much. And then we're going to get our lemon, and we're going to roll it. I'm going to shake my camera. Sorry, you guys. We're going to roll it, and this is to help free up some of the juices that are in the lemon. And so then we're going to get a knife. I have plastic utensils, so I mean it's whatever you want to use, and we're going to cut this open, and we're going to cut this in half. And then we're going to squeeze the lemon juice onto these shrimp. Make sure you catch some of the seeds. You don't want the seeds to go in there. So make sure you catch some of the seeds. And then we're going to sprinkle the rest of the lemon juice over our vegetables. So we're just going to do this and just season our vegetables with a little bit of lemon juice. Just a little bit. That sound. Yeah. Then we're gonna throw this in trash. A little trash bin right there. And then we're gonna fill our shrimp bag. And we're gonna close it. And I forgot to put the honey in here. So we're gonna put a dollop of honey. So with my refrigerator. get some honey. I want you guys to see a TV. I want you to see right here. Alright, I'm gonna get a dollop of honey. And we're gonna drop it. It's supposed to be open. I'm saying my honey frozen. My refrigerator was not that cold. Okay, there we go. We're gonna take a dollop. It's taking so long to come out, you guys. Okay. Take some honey, and we're just gonna drop that in there. Like that. We're gonna close it. And we're going to shake our bag up. And we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate until you cook. Put that in the refrigerator. Then we're going to get our chicken. So we're not putting lemon on our chicken. We're actually just going to get some seasonings. And we're going to shake a little bit on our chicken. Like so. Lid back on. And we're going to take some of this chili powder. Just a little bit of chili powder. Just a pump. Just one little pump, that's it. And then we're going to close that. And then we're going to take a little bit of extra seasoning. Shake a little bit on that. Just a little bit. Alright. And then we're going to take just a smidget of paprika. Because if you know, if you eat paprika, you know, in some cases it can be very potent and strong, so you don't want we don't want to be passing that over here, okay? Okay. So close it, and we're gonna pull that. You got me like make a hole. Okay. And we're just gonna do just one little pump of it. That's it. There we go. That was enough. Because this chili pepper is not really as potent as paprika, but to me it's not. Everybody has their own outlook on it, but to me, yeah, if you put too much paprika in something, your nose is burning. Because I did that one time when I was doing seafood boil. I actually poured too much paprika. I shook it, but the actual lid came off. So the whole thing of paprika went in there, and I tried to get the majority of it out, but it was still a lot in there. And y'all, when I tell y'all, that's the worst thing I could have done. Worst thing I ever could have did. Now I pay attention to when I'm taking the lids off my seasoning. So we're just gonna squeeze this a little bit. Just a little bit. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I season my vegetables. I just do a simple seasoning on my vegetables. Put this in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna turn this way, like that. I got a lemon. Let me see that lemon in the refrigerator now. I got a lemon container in my refrigerator, so I eat lemons like that. I have a whole container with lemons in it. So, like lemon slices. And I use that for my tea and stuff. Whatever I don't use. So, next thing is our vegetables. We're going to get our vegetables and we're going to shake them. I'm just going to get the seasoning that I'm just going to chicken and the, what you call it? Chicken and shrimp. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit over the top. And we're actually going to get the rest of it. And when we get ready to actually bake our food, we're going to get a little bit of that lemon. And we're actually going to sprinkle this over the top of it. This is just the seasoning. And I'm going to sit this. forgot. This is my pen. I started eating out of it. I forgot to record it. But I actually bought it home, and it's like an